Shiba Inu Coin is already massive, but this is how it's going to go viral. Let's get into the video. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu Coin you have, how many you want to have, and also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And I'm going to be setting a like goal of 400 likes for this video, so if we can hit that, that would be awesome. And if you guys are interested in getting some free Shiba Inu Coin, then go ahead and use that first link in the description. Get signed up with Public, the social investing app. When you deposit $1 on the app, you're going to get up to $70 worth of free stock that you can then sell and invest in Shiba Inu Coin. Boom, you got yourself some free Shib with that first link in the description. Without any further ado, let's get into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. So here we are on public.com. There's a few different pieces of news that we have to go over today, but we're also going to be going over some technical analysis as well as an overview of the overall crypto market and how that is going to be affecting Shiba Inu Coin. If you guys want to hear all that, stick around till the end of the video. But yeah, you guys know that the first thing we have to do every video is check the social activity of Shiba Inu Coin, and right now we're sitting right behind Bitcoin. Now cryptos tend to trend or be most active on the weekends, obviously because the stock markets are closed, people can't trade on the stock markets, so crypto tends to trend. However, we are only behind Bitcoin, which has close to $1 trillion market cap, while we only have about a $22 billion market cap. So the fact that we are right behind Bitcoin and have all of this activity is huge. But yeah, anyways, here we are on Twitter. We can see that Watch Your Guru, the top mentioned crypto hashtags in the last 24 hours is Shib. So the title of this video is how Shib is going to go viral, and Shib is obviously already viral. We are the most mentioned cryptocurrency pretty much any day that you take a look at social activity. However, I do want to go over how we are going to become even more viral, but it is good to see Shib is above Saitama, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and even Shininja, which has obviously been having a great few days because of the low market cap and them just basically stealing investors from Shiba Inu Coin. I know they say they're part of the ecosystem. I really don't see how they're part of the Shiba ecosystem. But anyways, enough of that little rant there. Good to see Shib on top of this little poll that they're doing here. There's a few different things I want to go over from Watch Your Guru in the last 24 hours. Obviously, one of them was this top mentioned crypto hashtags we just went over. But Justin, Bitmart Exchange confirms hack, says hackers were able to withdraw assets of the value of approximately 150 million USD. And then obviously down here confirms SafeMoon tokens have been stolen and dumped after the Bitmart exchange was hacked earlier today. Update, it was reported that tens of millions of dollars worth of Floki, Saitama, and Shib were also stolen during this same hack. So basically this could be a reason why Shiba Inu Coin is down today and staying down. Tens of millions of dollars were stolen from Shib, and those could have just been sold and liquidated on the spot. I'm probably sure that they were. So yeah, basically Bitmart was hacked and $150 million of crypto was stolen, and Shib was part of that. So they probably liquidated their Shib as soon as they got it, and kind of tanked the price of Shib, as well as a few other cryptos such as Floki and Saitama as well. So that's not very good. But now let's get into the real topic of today, and that is going to be Shiba Inu needs business ventures surrounding its development, says Redditor, and I couldn't agree more with this sentiment. Let's get a little bit deeper into what this could mean. Shiba Inu needs businesses built around it, question mark. A Redditor user recently shared a list of domains that highlights various Shiba Inu business ideas. Beautiful and emphasize that it is necessary that different Shiba Inu avenues are created to establish better market utility. It is fundamental that Shiba's price is able to incur value from other sectors as well. Similarly, the meme token is currently riding on market popularity. However, businesses involving Shiba transaction would increase the asset's functional status. We need to create more demand for the use of the currency, and therefore, as basic economics dictates, increased demand will reduce the supply, pushing the price of Shiba Inu Coin higher. This will assist in making Shiba more desirable, thereby pushing the price higher. Describing the community of Shiba Army as a paradox of capitalism and socialism, the Redditor added, well, in capitalism we aim to make ourselves richer, however this is usually at the detriment of others in society. However, with Shiba, by creating businesses and attracting wealth to yourself, you're also increasing the value of Shiba in everyone's pocket, so you're in fact embracing a level of socialism. Well, I would like to say really quickly, we're not embracing any level of socialism. Here we are a capitalist channel, I'm just saying that right now. But let's go into to kind of the point here. Shiba Inu Coin already is the most active and the most talked about cryptocurrency on the market. However, this Redditor, even though he is a socialist, does bring up a good idea, saying we need businesses around Shiba Inu. When different businesses are built around Shiba Inu Coin and they only accept Shiba Inu Coin and they're actual thriving businesses, sure, that person will do well, but also the Shiba Inu Coin investing community will do well as well, because it adds to the utility and it adds to the amount of people needing to buy Shiba Inu Coin. Thus, just a basic supply and demand curve, Shiba Inu Coin will go up due to the higher demand and the less supply of Shiba Inu Coin out there. These businesses, if they're real businesses, not just different NFT projects on the blockchain, like real businesses in the real world, will definitely bring up the virality and just the overall everyday person talking about it. Say your mom and your dad might be talking about it because a business they go to only accepts Shiba Inu Coin. When something like this happens, the virality really kicks just from Twitter and young people who don't have as much money all the way up to the older generation that has a lot more money to be putting into Shiba Inu Coin. But I'd like to emphasize, this doesn't mean that we just need to create a bunch of different crypto projects that say that they're going to help burn Shiba Inu Coin or help the ecosystem, when in reality they're just trying to make a fat bag. But anyways, let's get into the crypto market today. We can see that we're sitting at about 2.26 trillion, a nice correction we've had over the last 7 days. However, obviously we're still kind of kicked down. Shiba Inu Coin is currently sitting at a $19 billion market cap, the lowest I've seen it in a minute. And then Dogecoin obviously sitting at about 22 billion. Let's get into this. I'm pretty sure the volume, yes, has gone down 40%. So yesterday the volume was kicked up a bit, you can see right here, but then it has trended down today, and we've lost a lot of volume. Now, this Bitmart exchange thing that happened when it came out that Shiba Inu Coin was involved in that, or getting stolen, obviously that was not a good thing for Shiba Inu Coin, and now we have sold off all the way up to the 34-35 level. Now let's go over where we could be heading this week. So as we can see, we have broken the support at the 36 or 37 level. Obviously I figured we could probably break this support once again because we already broke it pretty heavily the day before when that whole crypto crash happened. So I really do see the next support being around the 32 to 33 level, somewhere in there. And obviously right now we are trending up on the MACD, but you can see we are actually looking like we're trending down in terms of price. The only reason we're still trending up is because of this green candle, but if this green candle turns red or we have a red candle right after it, we could definitely see this MACD start to trend down. The R size is currently sitting at a 41, so we could make a run right now and try to retest this resistance at the 37. I just really don't see it happening today unless we get some good news to come out. However, that Bitmart exchange thing that did happen has kind of put a damper on Shiba Inu Coin and caused this big red candlestick. So not something I like to see, but we are trending back up in the MACD, and we'll probably find support somewhere in the 32 to 33 level. But yeah, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe on the videos. It really helps with the growth of the channel. Let's try to hit that like goal of 400 likes for today. Comment down below how much Shiba Inu Coin you have. Get your free stock with the first link in the description. But that's going to be it. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.